Good morning, children. Happy to meet you after a gap. Today we are going to start Unit 1 Prose. Okay. Can see the title, the board, Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar. After seeing the title, you feel happy, I think so, because you were all in the mood of playing, is it? So, our title also, Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar. So, you all know about Sachin Tendulkar, I think so. So, he is our author. So, let me tell you something about Sachin Tendulkar. After that, we can move on to the lesson. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Got it? Was born on April 24, 1973, Mumbai, Maharashtra. So, he is the former Indian captain and widely he is regarded as the famous batsman. Is it? Now, he had created many records in his career. And also now, Tendulkar was nominated in the Rajya Sabha, and now he had written an autobiography. That is, the title is Playing It My Way. Okay, the title of the autobiography is Playing It My Way. From that, an extract is given as the prose, a part, that is the learning the game. So, do you know what is autobiography and biography? Let me tell you the difference between autobiography and biography. Okay, autobiography means the life history of a person is written by himself. It is autobiography. So here Sachin Tendulkar, he himself write about what happened in his life. Okay, that is autobiography. Biography means life history of a person written by someone else. That is biography. Okay, so now here Playing It in My Way, that is the autobiography written by Sachin Tendulkar. From that, an extract, a part is taken and given in the title Learning the Game for you. In this, we are going to see about the childhood days of Sachin Tendulkar and how he entered into the cricket, okay, and how he became famous. All those things we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, shall we enter the chapter? Hope you all have your textbook in your hand. Take page number 1. So, we can start. So, it is in the format Sachin is talking to you in such a way only the prose is given for you because it's an autobiography. So, let me read and explain it for you. From a very early stage, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. Who is this I here? Sachin. Okay. So, from his very early age, along with his colony friends, he used to play cricket with a tennis ball. You can see, nowadays we can see children, boys usually playing in the ground here and there in the street. Usually they will play cricket, is it? In such a way, Sachin also played cricket along with his colony friends by using tennis ball. I loved watching cricket on television, and in our games, I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players. Okay. Will you watch cricket in TV? You will do it, is it? Such a way, Sachin also will watch cricket in the TV. Not only just watching and moving away, he will try to emulate the mannerism of his favorite players. What is the meaning of this emulate? Take one pencil in your hand. Whichever words I am giving the meaning, just note down the meaning. Okay, ma'am? So, first one, the word I often try to emulate. Have you seen that word? Emulate. This emulate means imitate. This is imitate. So, were interested in something, some mannerism or someone, you try to imitate that. Usually we can see that the children imitate the heroes, cricket players, all of that we will see. In such a way, here Sachin also imitate the mannerism of favorite players. So we can see children what they will do. Nobody will be there to bowl for them. They will take a bat and just they will kick like that. Will they do? Yes. So in such a way, he will also imitate the mannerism of the favorite players. What's the meaning of emulate? Emulate means imitate. Imitate. Okay. Then mannerism. Mannerism means personal style. Two words I have given for you. First one, emulate. Imitate. Mannerism, personal style. How they are walking, how they are holding the bat, how they are kicking it. All those things we can, that they will be trying to imitate it. That is this emulate, personal style. So here, he had some favorite players. Who are they? You can see. My favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. Okay, two of them. One Indian player Sunil Gavaskar and also West Indian player legend Viv Richards. Is this legend? Legend, underline that word and write the meaning. Legend meaning extremely talented figure. Okay, so just recall what are the points we have seen. He will be usually playing with his colony friends with a tennis ball. He will be watching that cricket, the games in the TV, his television. After that, what he will do? He will imitate the personal style of his favorite players. Who are his favorite players? Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards from West Indies. Okay, so now, but it wasn't just the batsman that I studied. I also loved bowling. Okay, not only he was very much interested in batting, he loved bowling too. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. Sachin means will be first, how we will refer him as a batsman. But he was very much interested in bowling too. A lot he bowled in the nets. Okay, he'll be watching that in the television, the cricket, and also he will be imitate the mannerism of the favorite players. Who are the favorite players? Sunil Gavaskar and also the Viv Richards. Okay, so and also after that he is telling that not only he liked batting but also he loved bowling too. Okay, then next. I was then studying in New English School, Mumbai. Okay, so first stanza, what he will be usually doing when he was in the home, all those things we learn. Now, where he studied. I was then studying in New English School, Mumbai. Underline that, the name of the school. New English School, Mumbai. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achriga sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. Okay, now, where he studied? New English School, Mumbai. He had a brother named Ajit. Okay, so who is the Sachin's brother? Ajit. Okay. This Ajit know well about Sachin, how he is playing, how much he is interested in playing cricket. So, he was thinking about Sachin. At that time, he understand that if he is studying in New English School, he will not get much chance to play cricket. Comparing to other schools in Mumbai, the Sharadashram Vidya Mandir school, there a coach is there, named Achriga Ramakant, Ramakant Achriga sir. So, he is the coach there, he is the cricket coach. He will be giving very much importance to cricket. So, he thought that if Sachin joined that school, he will be able to play well. He can learn under the coaching of this sir, Achriga. Okay, got it? So, he studied in New English School, Mumbai. He had a brother named Ajit. Ajit knew that comparing to other schools in Mumbai, If he studied in Shardashram Vidya Mandir, he can become a good cricketer. Got it? Then. He ran summer camps too. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sun. You know, summer. We'll also get holidays during summer, is it? Such a way, during summer holidays, this sir will conduct camps, cricket camp. Okay, so one day during summer holiday, his brother Ajit take Sachin to that camp. Okay, so he took him to that camp. Anyone could come for a trial at a camp, but then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. Okay, so who are willing to join the camp can go there. Okay, but the coach only will decide who are to be selected. If he is selecting, they can be in the camp, or just they can go and sit and watch. That's all. Okay, who are willing can go there, but sir will decide who all should participate in that summer camp. I was 11 years old then. So, I told you, Ajit took Sachin to the summer camp. At that time, Sachin was 11 years old. Achriga sir, as I refer to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. So, listen ma'am. Now, Ajit took Sachin to the summer camp. What's the age of Sachin now? 11 years old. Okay. So, a comparison is done between this Achriga sir and Sachin. This coach also started his career, that is playing cricket, at the age of 11 in the year 1943. In the same way, Sachin also at the age of 11, now he is meeting the sir. Got it? So that is the relationship, that one comparison we are doing here between Sachin and the coach. Okay, at the age of 11, his brother Ajit took him to the camp. In the same way, the coach, he is telling about his coach. Coach started to play cricket in the age of 11 in the year 1943. Got it? Yes. Now, I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. Okay, now you can imagine, you know how the cricket ground will be. Okay, practice, a camp session, not the where they are playing or a game is conducted, not like that. Just they are going to practice there. So, there lot of nets will be there for bowling and many will be batting here and there, and many people will be gathering around to see how they are playing, and also one thing, the coach will be also near to them. So, till now you should understand that Sachin was only 11 years old and played only in the street, just along with his colony friends, a little boy, is it? So, it's a new experience for him to see many people are around him and a different, just till that he was just playing in the street. See there, the setting itself different. So, this feeling he felt somewhat overawed. Underline the word overawed. Overawed means that affected by a mixture of fear and respect. A feeling. Fear and respect, a mixture of that. Fear means, you know, usually when fear will come to you during the writing exam, is it? In such a way, he is also in such a way, just entering there, and now a fear enter into his mind, and also not only fear, respect, because the coach was there. A mixture of fear and respect was now in his mind. He's overawed. Okay, underline the word overawed and write. It's a mixture of fear and respect. Okay, When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. See, because it's a new experience to him. So, now it's his chance to show his talent. He was asked to bat, but what to do? He was not at all comfortable in that place. With sir watching me so closely. Okay, so now the coach was very near to him and he was just standing there and watching how he is going to play. Poor little Sachin with his bat, fear in his mind, respect to sir and all those overall feeling, and with the bat in his hand, he is standing there. Okay, you can understand the feeling of Sachin. So, he was not at all comfortable there. So, I failed to make an impact. Underline the word impact. Impact meaning a strong influence. It's the meaning of impact, a strong influence. He failed to create an impact. So, usually we will say that first impression is the best impression. So, first itself, Sachin was not able to bat well. So, this Achriga sir did not know anything about that Sachin. So, now he is not batting well. Whether he will select him for his camp? No, is it? So, he failed to create an impact. Now, sir called Ajit aside and informed that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was little older. Okay, he did not play well. So, the Achriga sir called Ajit. Who is this Ajit? Sachin's brother. So, he called Ajit. Say, he was too little to play cricket. He was not able to play well. So, you bring him after 1 year or 2 years when he grew a little. After that, you bring him here. This year, he was not eligible to play in this camp. My induction to the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure. But for Ajit's instance, now, I already told you, sir only had to take the decision. Sir took the decision. So, you come after 2 or 3 years. After that, we can join him in this camp. His cricket, everything come to an end like that. He felt that. See, having me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achriga sir. But Ajit knew well about Sachin. He usually had seen how Sachin will play in the street. So, he had very much confidence that Sachin will play far better than this. But here, what happened? Because of that fear and respect, that overall feeling, he was not able to perform well. So, Ajit knew that if we get another chance, he can perform well. Okay. So, what he is doing, we can see. He explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. Opportunity means one more chance. Okay, he begged sir. He can play well. So, please give him one more chance. Okay, now. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Okay, and also he gave one more request to sir. Sir, when he is playing, don't stand near to him. Okay? So, if you are moving away from him, he can perform well. So, I will tell you an example. Children, listen, mom. An exam here. Okay? All the children are writing exam. All the children are writing the exam. So, the examiner is moving all around. Okay? Imagine. You learn well, you know write all the answers. And you are also one of the person sit and writing the exam. Now the examiner came near to you and just standing near to you. He may not be looking at your paper or anything. Just the examiner or the teacher is standing near to you, how you will feel? How you will be writing? Your hands will shiver, is it? We can see children closing it with another paper. They will not write that time. A sudden, the mind will be playing, is it? So, they are not able to write well. At that moment, a different feeling enter into their mind. That is the thing. They may know everything, but they will feel blank for a second. Such a way only Sachin also felt. When the coach was near to him, he was not able to bat. So, Ajit understood this and told him, "Sir, please move away from that place. Somewhat move away from that place and just watch him from a distance. He will be able to play well." Now, sir also agreed. Okay, sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, also I thought I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. Okay, so see now, but Sachin don't know that. See, Ajit told the sir to move away from the place and watch him from a distance. Okay, so now it was the second chance for Sachin to bat. He went there and started to bat. Now he is looking anywhere whether sir is standing and watching. Okay, now sir is not near to him. He was very happy. Sir is not watching me. So now he feels somewhat comfortable. Okay, so sir's scrutinizing eye is not on me. So now he is ready to bat. Okay, now this time he started to hit the ball well. Okay, now sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted. Okay, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. Okay, now this time he got the chance to join that camp, and he feel very delighted. It means very happy. Okay, and also now it is the chance that opportunity transformed his life. Understand? So this is the way how he started his cricket game. Okay, how he joined the camp. This incident, that second chance to play, transformed his life. Okay, so at the age of 11, he went to that camp. The first chance, he failed to create an impact, and in the second chance, he played well, hit the ball well, and now he got the chance to join the camp. This chance changed his life, transformed his life. Okay, now the camp involved a session every morning and evening in the Shivaji Park. Okay, where the camp is going on in the Shivaji Park, and 2 sessions will be there. One morning camp and evening session. Okay, 2 sessions. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Morning session timing 7:30 to 10:30. That is the morning session timing, and he will be reaching there in the Shivaji Park before 7:30. Okay, now then I have come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. Okay, so there will be a gap in between morning session up to 10:30. After that, he will be moving to home, and then he will come back again in the afternoon session, and he will be playing till late evening. So the schedule was rigorous, and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Rigorous means very severe. So morning 7:30 to 10:30 he will be continuously playing, and he will be moving back to home, and after that he will be taking his lunch, and after that again in the afternoon session he will be joining there, and till late evening he will be playing. So for an 11-year-old boy, this was very severe. That is rigorous. Underline the word rigorous and write severe. and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Exhausted meaning very tired. So now traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from the house. So see, understand, morning 7:30 he had to reach there. So he need nearly 45 minutes to travel and reach Shivaji Park. So he will be very much tired. So by this we can stop see how at the age of 11 he started his career, and now how the practice session going on. Okay, so don't forget the timing. Every day there will be 2 sessions, morning 7:30 to 10:30 a.m. and after that a gap for his lunch, and after that again he will be moving for his afternoon session until late evening he will be playing. For a 11-year-old boy it was very rigorous. Rigorous means severe. Okay, so in such a way the whole summer camp he played. How he played, how was his camp. Okay, so did he create a good impression in the mind of the son? Everything we can see in the next class. So what are the words I had given for the meaning? I think so you underline and took down the meaning. All those things you should learn. Okay, so in between some question answers are there. I will be giving it for you. See, listen ma'am. Who were Sachin's favorite player? Do you remember who were Sachin's favorite player? Indian player Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian player that Viv Richards. Okay, and what was special about Sharadasram Vidya Mandir? Do you remember? Sharadasram Vidya Mandir is the school where this coach Ramakant Achariya sir was the coach for the cricket. In other schools they were not giving much importance. But in Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, they will be giving importance to cricket. That is the speciality about Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, Mumbai. Okay, so understand the second question. First answer, who was Sachin's favorite player? That is Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. Okay, then second answer, there the Ramakant Achariya sir, he is the coach of Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, and they will be giving very much importance for playing cricket. Okay, so that is the second question. And the third one, what was the opportunity that transformed the life of Sachin? Okay, so what opportunity? The second chance for playing the cricket in front of that Achariya sir, and he was selected for the camp. That chance, that is that opportunity transformed the life of Sachin. Okay, so listen ma, these 3 answers you have to learn well, and I will be giving these 3 answers through WhatsApp for you, or else you can get any guide and learn this answer, and along with that you have to learn the meaning, synonyms, whatever I had given to you. These 3 answers you have to learn, and we can see the remaining portion in the next class in my continuation. Okay, thank you children.